This is Learning Journey 2, an in-depth overview on linked lists from the previous video. Before getting into the details, there are three common types of linked lists: a singular linked list, a doubly linked list, and a circular linked list. It is important to know that the preconditions for adding and removing is to check if the list is null for sorting and/or null pointer purposes. A singly linked list is a list where the node only points to the next node, making traversal to be costly. In terms of its time complexity, its end times are bounded time for the following operations. Following the steps for insertion and curation of the node, we link it to the head and assign the head as the node. Doubly linked list. Similarly to a single linked list, however, every node has a reference to the previous node. Time complexity is the same for the following operations. Compared to a singly or doubly list, circular list doesn't point to null as the end of the node points to the beginning. This can be applied to singly or doubly. Insertion for doubly is as follows: keeping track of the local variables and noting the methods to set the node. Location node sets the node in between for the new node to insert. The node calls setback to previous, and previous sets its link to the node. We do the same procedure for location while referring to the new node. In removal of the doubly linked list, again referring to the local variables, the previous node has to set its link to location's next node so previous doesn't lose reference to the node after location. As for other conditions for adding and removing, it's the question where you would want to manipulate the location, as should where you want to add and remove the node. This is the end of my video for Learning Journey 2, Data Structures. Thank you for watching, and I hope to get some feedback on it.